What's going on, guys? John here from World's Best Guys. I am here to talk to you today about side hustles. The only side hustles that are legitimate, that will be amazing, and you can actually work and have the side hustle and make a ton of money, okay? Not some bullshit fucking fucked up Uber where I go pick up some drunk faggot and they blow all their fucking guts in my car. Not some TaskRabbit bullshit where I'm going and cleaning some lazy fat fuck's fucking toilet. No, these side hustles are actually awesome. You can make a ton of money. You might get killed or thrown in prison, but hey, fuck it, who cares? Life's more worth taking risks. Take some fucking risks. Ah! Okay, number one, selling drugs. You can sell drugs everywhere. Just Google the best drugs in your area or the highest rates of drug abuse and pick those drugs. Just make some friends, go into a trailer park, find some people that look shady as fuck and ask them, hey, where's the drugs? I want XYZ. I love drugs, okay? Go do it. It's real quick and easy. You can get a ton of drugs that way. And then when you have made friends with them, you can figure out who their suppliers are and cut those fucking trailer trash out completely. I'm talking about $1,000 a day, every day, 2 hours of work. That's a fucking side hustle. Side hustle! Okay, number two. Making drugs. You can't find the scums in the trailer parks to sell you drugs, or if you just can't find the suppliers, it's easy. Make some drugs. All you gotta do is go online, Google how to make drugs. Any kind of drugs will work. The favorite drugs, again, look for the epidemics, the people who are on the highest amount of drugs, and those types of drugs, and that'll bring in the dough, okay? So easy to cook meth in the bathtub nowadays. So simple, and easy. This one takes a couple more hours a day, but you can have your own drugs that you don't have to pay for except for the basic requirements to make them. It's so easy. That's number two, okay? Number three. It's kind of like Uber, but not really. It's ride sharing, but you don't actually use your car. You go and you borrow neighbors' cars, or preferably people who aren't in your neighborhood. Again, you could go to the trailer park for this. The trailer park's very useful for all of these side hustles, actually. So this is how it works. You set up some basic website, basic programming skills, okay? It's all you need. You go on there, you put in a time. The best time range is like 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. You rent out cars, okay? You go, you take someone's car, well, you borrow it, okay? And then all you have to do is you let the people know who want to borrow the car from you, and if whatever they want to do, some shady shit, I don't give a shit. Fuck, man, who cares? You take the cars, you say, hey, I got a car to rent, you give me your money, I'll rent it to you. And then you drop the car right back off. It's totally fine. It's not even stealing. The people are sleeping. They don't need the car. Come on. How selfish are you going to be to not loan your fucking car out, man? Fuck you. Okay? That's number three. Number 4 and 5, they're awesome too, okay? All you have to do, number 4, go on Craigslist, look up some ads for escorts, okay? Escorts who can't spell. They don't know. They were in 5th grade and dropped out, and now they're banging people and trying to make money. But the problem is they don't have an education. They're not good at it. And think about it. If you're going to hire some escort, do you want some escort that's going to spell atrociously and not know what they're doing? No, because they're most likely not getting tested for diseases and all of that stuff. So this number 4 is becoming a pimp, but you're an educated man. You're a pimp, okay? You do your job all day, then at night, you pimp those bitches out, all right? It's easy. You just, like I said, or you could go into the trailer park and see what kind of bitches are around, and you're like, hey, you want to make some good money? I'll help you out. I'll keep you safe. I'll write good highly effective grammatical constructs for your Craigslist ads. All right, it's win-win, and I'll just take a small percentage. Okay, everybody wins. Okay, now number 5, if you can't find any hoes, well, hoe yourself. It's so easy. You can jerk off these days. It's so simple. Just go onto some porn website. They say, oh, jerk off right now for horny fucking assholes who just sit in front of their TVs and can't get laid. Okay? Tons of people around the world can't get laid. They're ugly as fuck. Have you seen society? Fucking ugly. Okay? So just jerk your nice self off, make people jealous, but make them pay. All right? So easy. 5 side hustles. You can do it. I did this while going to one of my side hustles right now. That's how easy it is. Get started. Don't be a pussy.